Okay, 719, they want diamond problems, right? So let's do this. I'm going to make it bigger so they'll fit, right? So let's do A and B first, and then we'll do C and D. Okay, so for the numerator, we have to multiply, right? So 3.5 times 1/2 is 1 3/4, right? That's half, 1 3/4. And then added is the bottom, so 3.5 times 1/2, or plus 1/2 is 4, right? And then the next one, what times what is negative 28, and added is 3. So the question is, you know, if I called it x and y, x times y equals negative 28, right? And x plus y equals 3. So I think it's easiest to think of all the multiples of negative 28, right? So we get 1 and negative 28, negative 1 and 28. Added, they don't work. They don't give me 3. Then I have 2 and 14, negative 14. Added, that gives me negative 12, not yet. And negative 2 and 14, that doesn't work either. That gives me 12. Then 3, 4. Then I have negative 4 and negative 7. And added, that gives me negative 3. And then negative 4 and positive 7, right? Negative 4 and positive 7 added gives me 3. So it's negative 4 and positive 7. Okay, now C and D, let me make space. I'm going to move over for these, C and D, right? C and D, right? C and D. Okay, here we go. So the first one, negative 7 plus some value, right? Negative 7 plus x equals negative 15, right? So that has to be negative 8, right? And then negative 7 times negative 8 is positive 56. Okay, for this one, again, we have what multiplied, xy equals 10, and then x plus y equals 7. So again, the factors of 10, I have 1 and 10. Added doesn't give me 7. I have 2 and 5. Added gives me 7, so I have 2 and 5 that I can fit in there.